Types of entities. Entity is a thing sensed, perceived, or recognized distinctly from its environment. Entities can be categorized into different types based on various characteristics. Physical and abstract. Physical entities are tangible objects or substances that occupy space and possess mass. Examples of physical entities include a book that can be held and read, a tree that grows and provides oxygen, and water, a substance essential for life that can be poured and felt. Perception is sometimes tricky. Can you sense oxygen? We can perceive the lack of oxygen when it is removed from the air. These entities are perceptible through our senses and interact with the physical world around us. In contrast, abstract entities are concepts or ideas that do not have a physical presence. Examples of abstract entities include love, which is an emotional experience rather than a physical object, justice, a principle or ideal upheld by legal and ethical systems, and numbers, which represent quantities and values but do not exist in a tangible form. These entities are understood through intellectual processes and do not have a direct physical manifestation. Continuous and discrete. Continuous entities are those that can take on any value within a given range without interruption. For instance, a mountain, which gradually rises and falls with the landscape, a river, which flows seamlessly across its course, and a wall, which stands uninterrupted along its length, all exemplify continuous entities. These entities maintain a seamless connection with other entities within their range. On the other hand, discrete entities are distinct and separate, with clearly defined boundaries. Examples include a bubble, which is a single distinct sphere of gas and liquid, a bird, an individual organism with defined physical boundaries, and the moon, a separate celestial body in space. Discrete entities exist independently of others, maintaining their unique identities. Transient and lasting. Transient entities exist or occur for a limited duration. Examples of transient entities include a bubble that forms and bursts quickly, a wave that rises and falls in the ocean, and rain, which falls for a period before stopping. These entities are characterized by their temporary nature, appearing and disappearing over time. Lasting entities, in contrast, persist or endure over long periods. Examples include a mountain range which remains relatively unchanged over centuries, a historical event which leaves a lasting impact on the collective memory, and planets which follow stable orbits over millennia. These entities are notable for their longevity and enduring presence. Autonomous and non-autonomous. Autonomous entities have the ability to operate or function independently. Examples of autonomous entities include a planet, which orbits a star on its own, a solar system, which functions as a self-sustaining unit, and a water molecule, which maintains its chemical structure independently. These entities do not require external control to exist or function. Living organisms have the capacity to exist by themselves. Non-autonomous entities, conversely, rely on external factors or control. Examples include a fountain that requires a pump to circulate water, a car that needs a driver or automated system to operate, and in modern contexts, AI and robotics, which blur the lines between autonomous and non-autonomous. While some robots and AI systems can perform tasks independently, they are often designed and maintained by humans, illustrating the complexity of this distinction in contemporary times.